Assalamu alaikum. How are you? All of you are fine. Today our work is preposition, where we can use preposition. So let's start the lecture. First of all, on. The bulb is on the and the bottle. And the bottle. We can use on. Okay? On the bottle. If then in. In the bottle means the bulb is in the bottle. In the bottle. Next, the bulb is beside the bottle. Beside. That is beside the bottle. Okay. Then behind. The bulb is behind the bottle. Behind the bottle. Okay. Then under. The bulb is under the bottle. Okay. Then into bottle. Okay. The bulb is into a bottle. It is a into a bottle. Okay. Then in front of. The bulb is in front the bottle. In front the bottle. Okay. Then behind. In front. In front. Okay. Near. The bulb is near the bottle. Okay. Near the bottle. It is a preposition. We can use preposition to speak a direction. Okay. So all of you are understand very well. So if you want to more get education or English language, so like and subscribe to our channel. Okay. Thank you so much.